At Arrawatta Station, we're changing the paradigm from the water drainage system to a landscape rehydration system. We started with a property that was a drainage system through large drainage banks. And so I've retrofitted the drainage system into chains of ponds so that they can retain the water and let it slowly filter into the landscape. Hey, Susan Hendry, we're at Arrawatta Station, Oakwood on the New England Tablelands. Perfect home for Scottish cattle. We brought with us what are called native bred Aberdeen Angus that were raised by the Scots, line bred for 200 years. We bought the station about 5 years ago, had been fairly much flogged and it was in pretty poor state when we bought it. So over the time we've been here, we've been working on an environment where the soil can repair, the plants that it's growing can change and evolve until they're into a fodder-styled plant. So for the first couple of years we grew a lot of what I'd call accumulator plants, but are generally known in the industry as weeds. We didn't spray them, we used our cattle to trample them, eat them where possible, and where not possible we slashed them so that we created a nutrient cycle. One of the other key things that we did in our cropping land here, it had all been set up in a big drainage system. So over that period of time, we've put in some significant natural sequence farming work, from little contour chains of ponds through to a lot of rock work in areas where we were passing across various water flows on the property, so none of them were eaten out, and we've put in lots of structures high up in the country so that we slow the flow right from the top all the way down to the bottom.
Will Cannington, I consult to Arrawatta where we are today, implementing some natural sequence systems into the place. When you look at an aerial map or satellite photos of the slopes region, 25% of the cleared country would be contour drained, which is moving water off the landscape as fast as we possibly can. So there's an opportunity there to create chains of ponds and slow that system down. And it takes about 15 minutes with the days that we've got available here on farm. It might take you 20 minutes, 25 minutes with a front end loader and chisel wheel. It's very, very simple work to do.
I'm Kate. My husband Ryan and I were brought on to Arrawatta Station to assist them in regenerating their landscape. I suppose what we've noticed is the area where the work has been done, it's the first to green up and it's the last to dry out. So you are potentially growing more dry matter because you do have access to water in the landscape for longer. It's basically given us a second bite at the cherry, and that's money in the bank for us.
It's a bit of a cliche, but you are what you eat, and this is very much the same for the cattle. So the natural sequence farming allowed us to retain water in the landscape, to feed the organisms in the soil, which then feeds the plants, which then feeds the cattle, and that translates all the way through to the nutrients they will put into the food that you're then going to eat.